You can see that dent from over here. See from a distance, you can see the graves. Today is a special day because I'm going to try and use PDR to repair some of the dents on this car. I tried the technique where you go from the inside of the panel to try and push out the dents, but that didn't work. Gone ahead and put the tabs on there. We've also got a dent on the top here too. We've then also got damage on this. I think is actually the structure of the car. This is considered the structure of the car. Basically it's just pushed in, so I'm going to try and see if I can pull that out. This was a very humbling experience. When you see people doing PDR, they all make it look like it's easy, but PDR is not one of those things that's easy. There's a lot of skill involved in doing this correctly, and this whole experience showed me that. The results I got were decent in some places. Looking better.